Welcome to Aruba. It's Lee.
And Michael.
Right now we are heading to Arashi Beach. Did I say it correct?
You did say it.
Sometimes I can't pronounce certain words. So we are going there. This is a beautiful beach. We love it. We spent so much time there already. So we want to show you guys the beach because it's not that far. We are leaving Palm Beach. Yes.
We're just on the Palm Beach Strip.
We are getting Starbucks. We're not going to lie to you guys. We had to get some coffee. Last night was rough. But we're leaving the strip. We're leaving Palm Beach right now. And we're heading, GPS, tell me, how far, how long?
So it was 12 minutes from the strip, ETA, but it's probably around 10 minutes.
Okay, so 10-minute drive,
Yeah,
not a
10-minute
walk.
drive.
Yes.
Not a walk, yes. Very important to note that it is a drive, not a walk. Do not get confused.
So if you're renting a car, even if you're not, you want to take a taxi or however you want to get down there, it's only 12 minutes from the Palm Beach Strip. And honestly, it's worth the commute. It definitely is.
If you have the ability to drive, I definitely recommend renting a car so you can explore the island at your own pace. It's a small island, so you can get a lot of places in a short distance. And I would recommend renting a car from a local company, not from the airport. We rented from Wheels to Go. They picked us up in a free shuttle when we arrived and brought us just off site. Super professional, and definitely would recommend them.
Definitely. You're supporting a local business versus the big box guys. And yeah, it's when they pick you up, they tell you a little bit about the drive and a little bit about things to watch out for, like the roundabouts. And there are absolutely no lights here in Aruba, no traffic lights, which is a beauty because you've been navigating pretty well.
Yeah, it's been good. The vehicle they gave us has only 11,000 kilometers on it, so it drives pretty smooth, and it's nice.
Brand new vehicle, clean, everything. It's good. Everything's smooth. So yeah, we're heading over now. You're gonna cross by a lot of people running. We always see the fit people running on the street here. Always. It's like a classic strip to run on. But yeah, very beautiful.
Yes, but views of the ocean as you drive by, it's pretty awesome.
You can see it right through the window there, right past Michael. Sorry for the bumps.
It is pretty interesting how there are no traffic lights on the island, but the roundabouts are not too hard to navigate. So
I wouldn't know. I'm a passenger princess.
also, the one thing to note too is if you are from a country where you drive on the left-hand side in the right-hand lane, then there's going to be just like home for you. Us being from Canada, this is how we drive at home, so it was super easy, no learning curve to pick up a car and go. Most of the rental companies will have vehicles set up like this.
You got it. So Arashi Beach is also, just if you guys lose, focus or forget the name, it's right beside, or very close, not right beside, but very close to the California Lighthouse, which is also a pretty spot. We go all the way up the California Lighthouse. We didn't even go inside, we just saw it. But it was really nice. It only costs $5 though if you do want to go in, and all the way up per person.
Yeah, we were fortunate to head to that site when we rented our UTVs and did our UTV tour around the island.
It was a vibe. That was the funnest thing.
It was crazy. We're going through the desert, some crazy terrains. Definitely look out for the video we post on that if you want to see what's like the UTV in Aruba. Very fun experience. Definitely worth it.
So worth it. I would definitely regret it if I didn't do it. It was such a good time. Again, I was a passenger princess because honestly, the terrain was a little bit, what would you say? Was it difficult?
I would say it was a challenge, but it was a fun challenge.
And you kind of get used to it, right?
Yeah, by the end of it, I was moving.
Good. Beautiful palm trees.
Palm trees and cactus.
Okay, so we're 7 minutes from the location where we were at. Wow.
So it only took us 7 minutes to get here. The GPS said 12. A lot of times I put stuff in the GPS and by the time we're driving, it just goes right down. If you get here early, there's lots of ample parking. It's all free, just like all the beaches here in Aruba, all free parking, tons of parking. It's awesome.
Don't change that, Aruba. Do not change that, please. Look, everyone's out here with the rental cars.
So we're here at Arashi Beach. One thing we wanted to show you is that there is a beach bar on site with food and drinks, so you can spend all day at the beach and hit up Arashi Beach Bar just behind us.
Also, there are washrooms and showers. Bring some change though, because they cost about $1 to $2. Don't quote me. I think it is $1 to $2, but don't quote me. There is a shower and there's washrooms as well.
I know the washrooms for sure $1 because we went in there.
Yeah, I think the
Okay,
shower
$1.
might be 2. I thought I saw a sign, but again, it could be 1.
But if you do go to the beach bar and grab something, then the washroom's free for you.
Good
That's
tip.
a pro tip.
Good
Okay.
tip. Good
So
tip.
you might as well get something if you're hungry or thirsty. All right, so we're gonna take you along the beach and show you what this beach is about. All right, let's do it. So we're gonna be walking down the beach and showing you guys some views. All right.
Pretty wavy today, I would say.
It's wavy today.
Yeah, the waves are up. But honestly, it's a lot of fun. The only thing is, be careful with the rocks inside the ocean. So be careful for boulders, rocks. There's not many of them, but just keep an eye out.
But if you stay in the swim zone, you're probably clear of them.
I'm not 100% sure.
Because
We're never in the
when
swim.
I went to the swim zone, I didn't see any, but we haven't really been in the swim zone, so just a disclaimer though, watch out for the rocks. So at Arashi Beach and Eagle Beach, you can rent umbrellas and chairs as well. On Palm Beach, you can also rent umbrellas and beach chairs, and that's about 70 USD a day.
We always bring our own chairs and our own umbrella, so we don't have to rent it. That's a pro tip as well. Just rent an umbrella for a week. It'll only cost about $60 USD, and bring your own chairs if you can. You could probably rent your own chairs too. We got ours through Airbnb.
So if you want to save some money, then definitely try to see if you can rent an umbrella and hold it down yourself. Also on these beaches, they have free palapas. So if you get here early, you can get yourself a palapa. Remember, arrive early to get one, as they get taken up real quick. As you can see, the beach is pretty empty right now, which is great. And it's 9:16 a.m.
So there's no real early birds, I would say, like here in Aruba. Even like compared to other countries, we tend to see a lot of people running to the beach, walking, putting down all their chairs or doing that. Here it's pretty chill. Like Michael said, it's like 9 something in the morning and still pretty empty.
So you can get to the beach not super early and have ample space. Those are the palapas that are available for free.
This beach is a smaller beach. It's not as big as Eagle Beach, but I love it. I love this beach. Like, you're gonna get the nice trees as well, and just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view.
As you can see, the scene is so picturesque. The sand is white and plush. Very nice. Take in the ocean waves. We're gonna let you listen to it for a sec. Get some serenity. So it's a nice strip. It is not too long to walk from one end to the other. So if you want to get some steps, take a nice walk.
Yeah. Found this video helpful and you want to see more travel experiences and tips, please like and subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next video.